People tend to rely solely on a 9-to-5 job for their main source of income. However, in today's economy, it's hard to live off a single source of income alone. If you rely on one job, then you are just one step away from poverty. As scary as that sounds, it's true, and that's why many people look into other alternative and passive sources of income. That's where Turo car rental comes in. It allows users with cars to generate passive income just by lending their cars to others. But what is Turo, and how does one get started with little upfront cost? Turo is a car-sharing service where users can borrow and lend cars for specific time frames, depending on the rentee's specifications. In Turo, renters can browse from a selection of borrow-ready cars and choose which car they wish to borrow on any given day. Turo highlights available cars nearby to allow easier transactions from both the renter and the lender of the car. Once a deal has been made, the two parties are expected to meet up at an agreed location where the keys are passed on. Turo is accessible both via the web and via their mobile application, available on iOS and Android devices, and is currently usable in the United States, United Kingdom, select parts of Canada, and select parts of Australia.